Hey you guys, welcome back to Tootie's Nails. I am super excited. Today is the day we get to announce the giveaway winner. Good luck to everyone that entered. Okay, so first things first, I've got everyone's name, Instagram name in this bowl. I was gonna try to do like the raffle app type thing, but it wasn't working for me, so I just wrote everyone's name who entered and threw it into this bowl, and we're just gonna mix it around and grab a name, and then that's who's gonna be the winner. So if I pick your name, you have 2 days to at least contact me to give me your information through Instagram. So the Instagram name that you chose, or the Instagram that you followed me on, Tootie's Nails, you can go ahead and just contact me through Instagram, and then I'll get all your information that I need, and your nail art kit will be on the way. Thank you so much for subscribing. Thank you so much for supporting my channel. This is just my way of giving back and saying thank you. I'm gonna do many more giveaways like these coming up as we reach different milestones and goals on the channel. So please keep entering, and without further ado, let's pick the winner. Okay. So, oh my gosh, how nerve-wracking. Okay, I'm just gonna mix them up, and then I'm gonna grab one. Okay, you guys ready? See who it is. Ta-da! It's Michaela TV. Okay, all right, it's Michaela TV. Go ahead and contact me with your info via Instagram, and I will see you soon. Thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you all so much for entering, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.